In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open files in Protected View in Microsoft Word. Protected View is a security feature in Word that helps protect your computer when you open documents from potentially unsafe locations, such as files downloaded from the internet, email attachments, or documents from other people. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, click the File tab in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Open. Now, browse to the location of the Word document you want to open. Select the document, and then click Open. If Word considers the file potentially unsafe, it may automatically open the document in Protected View. When this happens, you'll usually see a yellow warning bar near the top of the document with a message indicating that the file was opened in Protected View. While Protected View is active, you can normally read the document, but some editing features are disabled. This helps prevent potentially harmful content from running while you review the file. If you trust the document and know where it came from, you can click the Enable Editing button on the yellow warning bar. Word will then leave Protected View and allow you to edit the document normally. However, if you are not sure whether the file is safe, it's better to leave it in Protected View. Avoid enabling editing for documents from unknown or suspicious sources. If your goal is specifically to make sure a file opens in Protected View, you can also check Word's Protected View settings. Click File, then select Options. In the Word Options window, click Trust Center on the left. Next, click Trust Center Settings. Select Protected View from the left side. Here, you'll find several options that control when Word uses Protected View, including files originating from the internet, potentially unsafe locations, and Outlook attachments. Make sure the appropriate Protected View options are enabled, then click OK to save your settings. Keep in mind that Protected View is designed as a security layer, so disabling these protections can increase the risk of opening unsafe documents. And that's how you can open and work with files in Protected View in Microsoft Word while keeping your documents and computer safer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,